Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to clear scratch disk in Photoshop. First of all you have to do is, if you are facing any problems in your Photoshop, all you have to do is press Windows plus R key on your keyboard. This run window will appear. You have to type %temp % and hit on OK. And then this window will open. You have to click anywhere on any folder and press the P key on your keyboard until this Photoshop Crashes folder appears. All you have to do is press and hold Shift key and delete. Now, are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? So we have to make sure that you are permanently deleting this folder. If you just simply press on delete key, then your problem won't solve. So you have to make sure to press and hold the Shift key and then press delete key and delete the folder permanently. Once you're done, close your Photoshop and open Photoshop once again, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And that's how you can clear scratch disk in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.